Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a John Lewis exclusive and it is in collaboration with Elemis and it's 12 days of skincare wonders, little mini advent calendar. This is going to be released on the John Lewis website on the 15th of September and it's going to be priced at £125. So as soon as it goes on sale, I'll post up a link everywhere. If you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, X, everywhere, you'll see a little link that I will post up. And if you love Elemis, I have got the large 25-day advent calendar on its way to me as well. Look at this. Look, it's just so cute. Opens up. So it's a little mini version of the big one. And there's 12 days. So although there won't be a link down below in my description at the moment, as soon as it does come live, I'll post it there. If you weren't already aware, down in my description, I always post a load of discount codes and offers to other websites. And I also post if I've got any giveaways running. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Right, let's start with number one. I like that they've got like little pulleys on there so you can grab them. We have got a 50-gram Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, which can be bought at this size. I think they come in like 20-gram little pots and then they go up to 200 grams. So even though I really don't like the rose scent, and I can smell it now, if you love the English rose scent, you will love this. But rose is so good for your skin. I absolutely adore the Elemis cleansing balms anyway. Yeah, they're so good. They are really good. It smells not to my taste at all. With cleansing balms, you're washing it off your skin and then you put another skincare on top so it doesn't really linger that much. If it was a body lotion or something, then no, I would have passed that on. Day number two. Down here. They all have little things like this. Could be handy. Christmas tree decoration with a little gift. Oh, I was going to show you then. I don't know what it is. It's a Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser and there's 30 mils. This is a really nice cleanser, so I'd use the balm to really melt away my makeup and lift that mascara, and then I'd go in afterwards with a gel cleanser that lathers and leaves my skin super fresh. The Marine Collagen range is my favourite. The moisturisers are just stunning. I do really like it. Okay, day number three. So we've got the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. So this is the moisturiser. It's an anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream, and there's 15 mils there. The reason why rose is so good for your skin and it's in a lot of skincare is because it's known for its calming and hydrating ingredients. There's over 20 roses in this formula. So it's anti-aging but also soothing as well. Okay, day number four here. Ooh. Oh, I forgot. We've got a toner. We've got a soothing apricot toner, calming facial toner, 50 mils. This one is particularly good for sensitive, delicate skins. It's very gentle on the skin. And then we've got a cloth as well. So this would be handy with the cleansing balm. So there's those two. Day number 5. This is really light. And we've got a mask. We've got a Pro-Collagen Hydrogel eye mask. This is an eye mask for fine lines. It says these clinically proven hydrogel masks improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, helping skin feel refreshed, revitalised and instantly hydrated. Formulated with plankton extract, Padina pavonica and chlorella, the fragile eye area is visibly brightened and intensely moisturised. Day number 6. Oh, we've got the Glow Boost Exfoliator. Skin Smoothing Exfoliator, and there's 15 mils there. So this is a balm that transforms into a milk when water is added. It's a gentle exfoliator and you can use it like 2 to 3 times a week. There. You can feel little bits. It smells, yeah, it just smells so gorgeous, very spa-like. Okay, day number 7. Pro-Collagen Marine Oil is a hydrating face oil and there is 5 mils there. This is a really nice oil. I've got the full size, where is it? I've been moving things around. I have got the full size somewhere. Little travel mini size there. Day number 8. And And I've got this at the moment. I've been using it. This is the eye cream. Oh, it's more of an eye gel. Pro-Collagen range. Vitality eye cream. Oh, maybe it's not. Is it different? Let's have a look. I'm sure mine is a gel. I'll have to Google it. No, this is definitely a cream. I basically took it on holiday with me when I went to Cyprus in June, and I still had enough left over to take with me when I went to Skiathos for the weekend about a week or so ago. It's replenishing eye cream, just 4 mils, but you literally only need a tiny bit. I've had a look online and there's no eye gel. There's this eye cream and an eye treatment serum. So I wonder if I've been using that. I'm sure it's more like a gel type consistency. But anyway, I'll definitely use that. Day number 9. Woo. And we've got Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. This is a skin refining cleanser. Nice big size, 30 mils there. To exfoliate, smooth and brighten the skin. Then day number 10. Oh, I don't know if I've tried this one. Pro-Collagen Future Restore Serum. Advanced Firming Complex. I don't think I have, you know. I have tried little samples of serums. Maybe this is it. I can't remember. So yeah, Future Restore. So it claims to boost firmness, smooth fine lines, restore elasticity and plump the skin. This alone can be bought for £73. Okay, day number 11. Oh, it's a big one. What is it? Oh, we've got the body cream. We got Frangipani Monoi. This is a luxurious body cream, 50 mils. I've tried this a few times through the Elemis QVC deals. It's really nice again. I think I've put too much on. Let's put it all over my hands. I've already got actually a pink grapefruit body butter on my hands from a previous unboxing. Just all blend together. It does feel nice. Yeah, it's lovely. So you've got a body cream there. Okay, day number 12. Where is it? Down the bottom, yeah. It's got to be the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. If not, what else could it be? No, and I haven't seen what's inside, so I don't know. It is the night cream. Pro-Collagen Night Cream, 30 mils there. Ooh, hopefully you can see it. This is one of my favourite moisturisers, Pro-Collagen Marine range. I recently did a reel over on Instagram of another beauty box, and I had the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream and I was applying it, and you could just see my skin is so glowy. It is just such a beautiful cream. It's quite lightweight. It's just makeup sits really nicely on top, and yeah, this is the nighttime version of it. So there you go. So we've got the Elemis 12 days of skincare wonders coming to John Lewis on the 15th of September, retailing for £125. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Are you going to get one? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.